Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Carrion game on your PC. Guys, first open up your any browser, and once you open it, just search for the BlueStack. You'll see the BlueStack website on the top. So just open up this bluestack.com website you are seeing on the first. You'll see the option to download and install the BlueStack. Just click on the download BlueStack 10. Now start going to download the BlueStack launcher on your PC. Once it was downloaded, just open it and it will take some time. So just click on this install option and just download and install it on your PC. And this is very simple. So once it was downloaded and installed, just open it. And once you open up the BlueStack launcher, it will take some time. So just wait for it. Then you'll see the option of system apps here. So just click on the system apps option and you'll see the Play Store. Open it. Now just click on the search box, and once you click on the search box, just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Carrion. Now this game will appear on the top. Just hit the enter and just open up the first game you are seeing. Once you open it here, you'll see the option to install it. Just click on that install option, and that's how you can download and install this on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.